Shalom everyone, Ate once again. Guys, today's vlog, ang pag-aaralan natin ay infinitive to treat or to take care in Hebrew, litapel. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga i-upload kong videos. Present tense treat for masculine singular I treat. Ani, mitapel. You treat. Ata, mitapel. He treat. Who, mitapel. Present tense treat for feminine singular. I treat. Ani, mitapelet. You treat. At mitapelet. She treat. He, mitapelet. Present tense treat for masculine plural. We treat. Anakno, mitaplim. You treat. Atem, mitaplim. They treat. Hem, mitaplim. Present tense treat for feminine plural. We treat. Anakno, mitaplot. You treat. Aten, mitaplot. They treat. Hen, mitaplot. Okay, now we are going to past tense, treated. I treated for masculine singular, tipalti. I treated for feminine singular, tipalti. You treated for masculine singular, tipalta. You treated for feminine singular, tipalt. He treated, tipel. She treated, tipla. We treated, masculine plural or mixed gender, tipalno. We treated, feminine plural, tipalno. You treated, masculine plural or mixed gender, tipaltem. You treated, feminine plural, tipalten. They treated, masculine plural or mixed gender, tiplu. They treated, feminine plural, tiplu. Okay guys, now in future tense, will treat. I will treat for masculine singular, ani atapel. I will treat for feminine singular, ani atapel. You will treat for masculine singular, ata tetapel. You will treat for feminine singular, at tetapli. He will treat, hu yitapel. She will treat, hi titapel. We will treat for masculine plural or mixed gender, anakno nitapel. We will treat for feminine plural, אנחנו נטפל. You will treat for masculine plural or mixed gender. אתם תטפלו. You will treat for feminine plural. אתן תטפלנה. They will treat for masculine plural or mixed gender. הם יטפלו. They will treat for feminine plural. הן תטפלנה. Okay guys, this is the command or imperative. Imperative trait for masculine singular, tapel. Imperative trait for feminine singular, tapli. Imperative trait for masculine plural, taplu. Imperative trait for feminine plural, tapelna. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod kong videos. Enjoy to learn Hebrew. Hamon-hamon to da, vili hitraot.